Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to draw a Hello Kitty flying witch for Halloween. Let's get started. We'll first start by drawing Hello Kitty's face. So in the center of the page, let's draw an oval. That's her face. And then from there, let's draw a line out. That's the witch head. And let's curve this line back. And from there, let's draw this curved line for the top of the head. And now from here, let's pop an ear out. So Hello Kitty's ears are not that pointy. And then from here, let's draw a curved line that goes up towards the right. And bend the line at the top. And this is where it will come down. So I'm gonna just draw a line there. And from the tip of this head, bring a straight line back to the head. And now let's draw this line down. Okay, so somewhere around here, that's Hello Kitty's other ear. So I'm just gonna draw a triangle. So that's the right ear. And from here, let's draw a ribbon across the head. And don't forget the bow. Draw an oval for the loop and another curve out. Bow. Add two curved lines here next to the loop. I want to change the angle of the ear. I want it to point towards the outside. So it's going to be like this. There. Okay, and now let's draw Hello Kitty's eyes. So I'm going to draw an elongated oval. Same on the other side. Make sure that the two eyes are about similar in size. And right in the middle, going to draw another oval. There. Now don't forget the whiskers. So there are 3 on each side. Draw this point across to make sure that the whiskers are resting at the same level, and this one across there. Okay, so I think the top one is longer and the bottom two are shorter. Alright, so now from there, let's draw a curve that goes out towards the right. And here, let's draw her arm. So we're going to start with drawing a curved line that goes like this. And let's bring it towards the left of the picture. Okay, I'm going to draw the sleeve. And then her cute hand will come out from here, the thumb. Here. And from here, let's draw another line that connects from her head to the sleeve. Then from the outside, let's draw the other hand, the other arm. So it comes out that way. Now I'm gonna draw a broomstick. So the other arm is also holding on to this broomstick. The thumb on the top and the palm underneath. Now bring this broomstick out to be a little bit longer. Just want to make sure that the broomstick is straight. And close it off. There. And now, so this broomstick should come out from behind. And this curved line, let's just bring it in a little bit. Now draw this broomstick out. It's coming out from the behind. And we are going to finish by drawing the broom. There. Draw this line down. Connect using a curved line. And then now let's draw her 2 feet. We're just gonna simplify it by drawing 2 cute little feet. Like that. And that is how to draw a Hello Kitty flying witch. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.